Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum, beautiful children. My name is Fatma Ali. I am so happy to be here with you guys again. So today we are going to make something very nice. We love them. We love seeing them all the time. We grow them. So we are going to make flowers. But our flowers are very special. Why? Because they are flowers of kindness. So we're going to make flowers and we're going to write whatever acts of kindness we want to do to people. Okay? So first, what will you need? You will need a pair of scissors, you'll need a paper, and you also need a marker pen. For me, you can use a pencil, you can use a marker pen, you can use a ball pen. It all matters with you. All pens apply. So it's pretty simple. You don't need a lot of skills to make the pen. To make the flower. So first, we're gonna fold our flower into tiny. We're gonna fold our paper. Fold it again. Fold it. And then I want you to watch on how I'm cutting the paper. Remember, when you're using a pair of scissors, always have an adult with you, okay? Now, we're gonna cut nicely our pair of scissors. Oopsie. Cut nicely. You can cut it 2 times so you can have so many flowers, so many leaves. Oopsie. Here we go. And then the last one. Yes, we have our flowers. And now we're gonna paste our flowers on any piece of paper you have, okay? Any piece of papers. So I'm gonna apply glue stick with me. I have one glue stick here. Glue stick. I'm gonna stick. So what are the acts of kindness do you do to people? What does it mean to be kind? Some people say it's being nice to people. Some people say it's being obedient. Acts of kindness. Being kind means you're being nice to someone, okay? You help them, you take care of them, you speak nicely, okay? So that's the first one. You can use as many colors as you want. You can find these papers at Office Mart or Textbook Center, or you can use any papers at home depending on what you like to use, okay? Just take one flower there. And you're done. Yay, I'm done. Yeah, so this is just one flower. We should make more flowers, so we can have so many acts of kindness. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it to have so many acts of kindness, because the world needs kind people. Okay, we all need to be kind to people. Let me finish sticking so that we can write our acts of kindness. Oh no, we have small leaves here. I don't know if they will fit, but it. And yeah, and we're done. Now we have to write our small acts of kindness. For example, I will feed my cat. That's being kind. I'll feed my cat. Another thing, I'll say salam to my elders. What other acts of kindness will you do? You can say, I will help in house chores. You can write so many acts of kindness. I will help. You can say, I will help watering plants. So I want you to write as many acts of kindness you can. Write as many. If you want, you can write 1,000. Of course, not 1,000. If you want, you can write as many acts of kindness you can. Write it with your brothers, with your friends, with your sister. As many acts of kindness you can. Thank you so much for joining me in this episode. See you soon.